Hello, and welcome to SCRUMstudy. In this module, we will learn the purpose of the SBOK guide. We will start by asking two questions. Why do we need the SBOK guide, first of all? And what is it based on? Well, in recent years, it has become evident that more and more organizations are choosing Scrum over traditional project management models. This suggests that Scrum principles and practices are having a greater impact than traditional project management models on project success. SBOK Guide was developed as a means to create a necessary guide for organizations and project management practitioners who want to implement Scrum, as well as those already doing so who want to make needed improvements to their processes. It is based on experience drawn from numerous projects across a variety of organizations and industries. The contributions of many Scrum experts and project management practitioners have been considered in the development of SBOK Guide. So let's now see who uses SBOK Guide and how it is valued. The SBOK Guide is especially valuable to the Scrum Core Team members. Who are the Scrum Core Team members? Let's meet them one by one. Here comes the product owners first. They use the SBOK Guide to fully understand the Scrum framework and particularly the customer stakeholder-related concerns involving business justification, quality, change, and risk aspects associated with Scrum projects. Scrum Masters are the next group of people who use SBOK Guide to learn their specific role in overseeing the application of Scrum framework to Scrum projects. And lastly, the Scrum team members, who use the SBOK Guide to better understand Scrum processes and the associated tools that may be used to create the project's product or service. The SBOK Guide is valued in other aspects as well. It is used as a comprehensive guide for all Scrum practitioners working on Scrum projects in any organization or industry. It is a reference source for anyone interacting with the Scrum core team, including but not limited to the Portfolio Product Owner, Portfolio Scrum Master, Program Product Owner, Program Scrum Master, Scrum Guidance Body, and stakeholders such as the sponsor, customer, and users. And it is a knowledge source for any persons who have no prior experience or knowledge of the Scrum framework but want to learn the details about the subject. Now that we have learned about the SBOK Guide in detail, let us go through the various levels of certification exams offered by SCRUMstudy, which aspirants can take up based on their understanding of the content of the SBOK Guide. The certification exams are as follows. For all Scrum team members, participants, and stakeholders, SBOK Guide recommends a Scrum Developer Certification, or SDC, as an entry-level certification. For all Scrum Masters, Scrum Master Certification, or SMC, is proposed. This certification provides professionals with a practical, working knowledge of Scrum. SCRUMstudy Agile Master Certified, or SAMC, provides the participants with the ability to compare and choose which methodology would be appropriate in a given situation. The Scrum Product Owner Certification, or SPOC, is designed to provide professionals with a practical, working knowledge of Scrum that equips them to handle the business aspects and stakeholders in a Scrum framework. If you are an active SMC, SPOC, or SDC who has reached that next level of experience and expertise in using Scrum framework, elevate your career even further by earning the ESMC credentials. Professionals looking to take up the Chief Product Owner, Portfolio Product Owner, or Program Product Owner roles and scale Scrum to large projects, programs, or the enterprise can opt for Scaled Scrum Product Owner Certified, or SSPOC certification. And professionals planning to take up the roles of Chief Scrum Master, Portfolio Scrum Master, or Program Scrum Master and handle multiple Scrum teams in a large project or program or at the enterprise level can opt for the Scaled Scrum Master Certified, or SSMC certification. Please note that to be eligible to attain SSPOC certification, you should possess SPOC certification, and to attain SSMC certification, you should have SMC certification. So this covers the purpose, use, and various levels of certification exams in Scrum. Thank you for learning with us.